It's like the longer you stay in this job, the odds are you're gonna lose yourself. What's one thing this job has given you?
You know what? This job takes a lot. But you know what it gives?
So we spent what was left of our serotonin to chew on our cheeks and stare at the moon. Said she knows she lived through it to get
It gives
to
me
this moment.
you.
Ate a sleeve of saltines on my floor, and I knew